In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add games to Google Sites 2026. If you've ever wanted a playable game right on your Google site, maybe for a class page, a club hub, or a personal portfolio, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to place it using an embed. Before we begin, make sure you have a game you're allowed to share and, ideally, an embed code from a trusted source. An embed code is usually a short snippet that starts with an iframe and tells your site where to load the game from. Games that support secure connections over HTTPS tend to work best inside Google Sites. First, go to your website. Open Google Sites, sign in to the correct account, and enter the site you want to edit. You should be on the page where the game will live, with the editing toolbar visible. If your site has multiple pages, navigate to the specific page or section that fits your layout so you don't have to move things later. Next, click Embed. You'll find this in the Insert panel on the right side of the editor. The Embed window offers two options, by URL and Embed Code. Since we have code for a game, choose the Embed Code option. This tells Google Sites you'll be pasting HTML that creates a live window for the game. Now paste your code. Drop the game's iframe code into the box. Take a moment to check two small but important details. First, make sure the source link in the code begins with HTTPS so it loads securely. Second, look at the width and height values. You can leave them as provided or adjust them to better fit your page. If the game provider only offers a simple share link and not code, some games will also work via the By URL option. But the most reliable method for interactive content is the Embed Code tab. Finally, click Insert. Google Sites will place the game onto your page as a resizable content block. You can drag it to a different spot in your layout and use the blue handles to fine-tune its size so it looks balanced on desktop and mobile. If you see a placeholder or a message that the preview can't be shown, don't worry. Some games only load fully when viewed on the published page. If the game never appears, the source may block embedding. In that case, you'll need a different, embeddable version of the game. That's it. You went to your site, chose Embed, pasted the code, and inserted it. Keep your page clean, give the game enough space to breathe, and you're good to go.